Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove any image background in 5 seconds. Go to your browser, type remove.bg. Guys, once you're on this page, all you need to do is upload the image or simply drag and drop the file anywhere on this page. Guys, check this out. Wow guys, look at that. Let's try another image. Guys, also you can drag multiple images at the same time. You can highlight bunch of image and just drop it on this page and it will remove everything right away. Look at this guys. Wow, very clean. Now you can simply download the image or click the edit button. Once you're on this page, you can upload your own background or you can use one of the backgrounds here. Let's check them out guys. Look at that. This one, I kind of like that one. This one, pretty cool. Yeah, that's it guys. You can click download again. Right here guys, you can see that the image is downloaded right here. Let's double click and open it and see what it looks like. Wow, can you see this? Alright guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video.